Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2013 Dodge Charger and I will show you how to remove and replace these front dashboard air vents. Now in my case I just got this car and this vent seems to be either broken or just detached. Now I was trying to attach it back just through this opening here and I wasn't successful. It has two clips, one here and one in the upper left corner, but unfortunately I wasn't able to attach it because this chrome piece is also kind of loose. So what I'm planning to do, I'm planning to completely remove this complete vent piece and see what's going on, and then get a new vent if necessary, or if not, maybe just reattach this one or possibly even glue it with a super glue or a plastic bonder. This video should apply to Dodge Chargers made from 2011 all the way up to 2022. Even after the facelift, I'm pretty sure things will be the same or very similar. Okay, now to pop this piece out, you kind of have to be very careful because this plastic likes to crack. So the best tools to use would be something like this. It's a plastic trim remover. I have a couple of these, or if you don't have it, you can even use a flat screwdriver or any kind of other metal tool. Just be careful not to make scratches to the dashboard or to crack the plastic. I'm doing this for the first time as well, and I'm pretty sure this will be held by a bunch of plastic clips just behind it. Okay, so I suggest you start here on this side, just like I did. So I pretty much just pried it here underneath, and I will show you now what kind of clips we are dealing with. So you see you have this bunch of these plastic clips with metal inserts which just have to pop out. Like I said, do it slowly, and you have to do it all around the dashboard, right? Carefully not to crack the plastic. I'll have to use both of my hands while doing it, but just go slowly all around until you do it. Okay, so the bottom is off on my charger, and now I'm gonna start with the top part. Again, I was able to get this one out. Now just I have this part left right here, and that should be it. Again, I'll have to use both of my hands to deal with this. Okay. Okay, so I got all of them out without breaking any. It was no fun, to be honest. You can see there is a bunch of these clips here on the top. Now the next thing you want to do, you want to make sure your steering wheel is all the way down. So you want to adjust it just here, right? All the way down, and pull it all the way towards yourself. That will give you much more space to completely remove that plastic piece. So you want to pull it towards yourself out and then lock it in place. And now you have lots of space here to completely remove this. Okay, now once you pull this out, it's gonna be completely loose, but to completely remove it, you just have to disconnect a couple of electrical connectors which are connected to this radio screen. Okay, now to disconnect the wires, this big connector will have a small clip just on the back side. You want to press it and wiggle this off. I will show you now. You see, here is the clip. And the other one, the small black one, should also have a clip. It's also on the back side. You want to press it and pull out. Okay, I'll show you. Here is the clip. Okay, and the last one will also have a clip just on top to press and pull out. And now we have this complete dashboard piece off. And now I will show you how to install those vents. Okay, so now I will show you. While I was removing this piece, one of the vents fell out, which is not a big deal. First I will show you how to install it back in. You see you have these tabs on each side of the vent, and these tabs go into these holes right here. and that's pretty much everything that has to be done. You just have to attach it in, and that's why those fall out so easily, because yeah, it's just not made the best. So just want to pop it in. I'll have to use both of my hands here, I don't want to break it, but this is the idea, just pops in. Okay, so that's it. So once again, you have to attach these two on this side, same thing on the other side, and you will have these two small pins here as well, which have to sit in place. Other side as well, it's gonna be right here. Now I will show you how to do this one as well. Okay, so first this chrome piece which fell out, it's actually held just here on the bottom and up here, so just want to gently push it in, and there is nothing else holding it, you see. So that's it. And once you've done that, you will do the same thing with this one, like the other one I showed you. So you have two of these on one side, two on the other, and I'm lucky nothing was broken here, it was just detached, so I will not have to get a new part. But if you need a new part, okay, here is the part number. So this is the central one. Stop the video and write it down if you have to. Here is the right one, part number, and here is the left one on the driver's side, part number as well. So write it down, you can probably get it online or from a Dodge dealer or from a car salvage, whatever. Okay, yeah, now I just have to attach this one again. I'll use both of my hands just so I don't break anything now when I'm almost done. Okay, that's it. Everything is good to go and ready to be installed back to the vehicle. See, everything is in place and how it's supposed to be. To install everything back, first you want to connect all the wires back and then just pretty much pop it in. And that's it. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.